Here we are in the city center. I think this one is the business district of Kielce. So many high-rise tall building, and I think that the schools already starting here. And behind is the Ozone building. And yeah, this is how the traffic looks like on Monday. Dzień dobry, just another day in Kielce, Poland. Right, so Damian this morning really rushed to the Targi Budinek, the Targi building. Actually at 6 he already wake up and go with no breakfast, but it's okay. And yeah, I get to the city center from the hotel by bus, and yes, finally here I'm here. It's sunny and it's hot but windy. So yeah, I'll stroll around to show you how it looks Monday in Kielce. Here is the bus actually, and here is the hotel, B&B hotel. If you turn right, already Rinek, but we will go to the area of the Corona Mall. So what I can say that in the Monday morning at 10-11 a.m. the best place actually to cool off yourself from the heat of sunshine is the mall. Look at this, so many students. Barzo Zajente, super busy. And of course McDonald's, Barzo Luigi. No place to sit. Seems like Sunday was super duper quiet when the malls closed, but now when the malls open on Monday, you see how crowded it is. So not only me who loves going to the mall, but so many people. And again, as you see, no place to sit. Even outside in the mall, so busy. I need to find a place where I can sit and have my coffee. Now I come back again in Sienkiewicz Street, the world famous, the famous walking street here in Kielce. Okay, everywhere there's many people. Now I see where they are. Oh my goodness. Okay, today I just eat McDonald's. I come here because of the aircon. I need to sit under the aircon. It's very hot, and look at so everywhere is busy basically. And now I'm going back to the hotel. It's hot, and yeah. Now I would like to take bus to go back to the hotel. Is the hotel where we stay is not in city center, because obviously all the hotels in the city center actually full book for the Targi event. So I think that the company where Damian works book us hotel is about 12 kilometers outside. So yeah, I will take bus to go home. And I think I already show you many places and the high places in Kielce, and the rest of my video basically will be coming from Damian, what he's gonna do in Kielce in the Targi. So yeah, we will look for a bus station. And I see that this playground or the park is busy basically, and then over there is another type of the flat apartment. Kamienica. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, but I don't think that's Kamienica. That's the flat only, I guess. And yeah, it's hot. So basically, this is the roundabout. That over there is the Sienkiewicz Street, and then I have to go there. The bus station is over there, so I have to go down. We cannot cross straight forward like this. Here is the bus station. I'm gonna take the bus number 9, and then it will go to from Oxerondo going there, Mediciana Gurazagoze. And here is the the bus station. Actually, next to the bus station, there is a park. I need to wait for about 30 minutes. It's hot there. I prefer to wait here in the park. Look at those blue sky. And now I'm back in the hotel actually and enjoying my dinner. I feel so exhausted because of the heat. Look, I ordered one huge pizza and 0% alcohol beer. Smacznego. Damian still working until night, I think. So yeah. So I have morning breakfast. Basically, it's nice. A typical Polish breakfast. If you are curious about that, ham, cheese, juice, and coffee and dessert. Right after breakfast, I'm editing my video here in the restaurant, basically, and this is how the restaurant look like. And yeah, outside is the racing. So basically how it is. So if you are into the sports car, like racing, this one is actually how it looks when they are practicing. What I can see that I think that this hotel is good if you are really into that, how to practicing the like driving or something like that, this hotel. But just because of this international event currently, only this hotel is available. So yeah, nothing to complain about, but just it's nice green area. But yeah, it's just simply like this hotel is just purpose for the racing. Seems like Damian was so busy in the Targi company actually, and then he didn't make any single footage for what's happening. And yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Well, basically like tomorrow Damian will travel to Berlin for a few days, so it's gonna be another project of the Targi in Berlin.